Hello students, today we are going to discuss class 9th history, lesson number 1, French Revolution. As we are knowing, according to the name, you can guess that in this chapter we will discuss about the revolution which was started in France. So, here at first we have to understand the meaning of revolution. When the people of a country gathered or came together and decided to change the political system or to change the form of government of that country with the help of violent activities or non-violent activities. Those processes according to which they tried to change the political conditions of that country are called revolution. Here in this chapter we will discuss that how people of France started revolution for their freedom in France, where monarchy system was formed. We will discuss also that how people who were poor, who are unable to earn their livelihood, they came to change the political conditions of France and they came together to form the new system of government. The topic which is given in the starting of our lesson, that is on 14th of July 1789. It was the time of mourning when near about 7,000 people gathered in front of the town hall of Paris. These people were gathered there and decided that they will form their own military and attacked on the administrative buildings of monarch. Why they had done that? Because they were fed up with the political condition, social condition or economical condition of the country. They were fed up with the ruler who ruled over the country. They thought that that ruler was not able to rule over France, so that they decided to change the condition of the country, because of which a group of several hundred people marched to Bastille. Bastille was the place where was the fort of Bastille, and from that fort all the administrative work of the France was completed. It was the administration center of France, from where monarchy system was controlled all over city. The group of people attacked on Bastille fort and they killed the soldiers which were founded there, including commander. They also released all the prisoners which were founded in that fort. That time they found only 7 prisoners were prisoned in that jail. After that, they sold its stone fragments in the market because they don't want that in future anyone should not remind this place as the administrative system center of France, which was belonged to the monarch. It was a memorable day in the French history because so many riots and violent activities took place after this. Okay students, in the next topic we will discuss that what were the major reasons according to which French Revolution was occurred.